Chennai, third best known for its South Indian delicacies, is also a paradise for biryani lovers. From aromatic Hyderabadi biryani to spicy Chandigarh style and Chennai's own unique versions, the city offers something for everyone. Here are the top 10 biryani restaurants in Chennai where every plate is packed with flavor, tradition, and love. The first one is Chandigarh Thalapakati, a legendary name in Tamil Nadu. Chandigarh Thalapakati is famous for its unique style of biryani cooked with siraga sambar rice. The biryani here is mildly spiced yet rich in flavor, making it distinct from the Hyderabadi version. Meat lovers enjoy the tender mutton and chicken biryanis, while vegetarians also get flavorful options. The restaurant chain has a comfortable ambience suitable for families. Consistency and authenticity make it a must visit for biryani fans. The second one is Buhari Hotel, one of Chennai's oldest and most iconic restaurants. Buhari Hotel is said to be the birthplace of Chicken 65. Their biryani, however, is equally legendary, cooked with rich spice and tender meat. It tastes strong, aromatic, and truly satisfying. The restaurant maintains its old world charm while serving generations of loyal customers. Portions are generous, making it a great place for group dining. Buhari remains a symbol of Chennai's food culture. The third one is SS Hyderabad Biryani. Known for its spicy Hyderabadi style biryani, SS Hyderabad is a popular chain across Chennai. The biryani is cooked with long grain basmati rice, peppered spice, and perfectly cooked meat. The flavors are bold, making it especially loved by spice lovers. Service is quick and the restaurant are usually buzzing with locals and tourists alike. It's a go-to spot for affordable yet authentic biryani. The fourth one is Ya Muhyiddin Biryani, often hailed as one of the best biryani spots in Chennai. Ya Muhyiddin is a no-frill eatery loved for its taste. The mutton biryani here is legendary, featuring tender meat, flavorful masala, and siraga sambar rice. Portions are large and the food is always freshly prepared. Despite its simple setting, crowds flock here daily. It's the kind of place where flavor matter more than fancy interiors. The fifth one is Asifi Biryani. Asifi Biryani is one of the biggest biryani chains in Chennai, known for its consistency and wide menu. The biryani here is flavorful, aromatic, and served with traditional accompaniments like salna and raita. Families love dining here for both taste and comfort. Apart from chicken and mutton, Aspi also offer prawn and fish biryani for seafood lovers. It's reliable, filling, and budget friendly. The next one is Copper Kitchen. A modern, family friendly Copper Kitchen has gained popularity for its delicious biryani alongside a variety of South Indian and North Indian dishes. Their biryani is aromatic, cooked with tender meat and flavorful spices that balance heat with taste. The restaurant is well suited for families outing thanks to its neat interior and good service. Portions are generous, making it excellent value for money. The next one is Chairminar Biryani Center. Located in Royabita, Chairminar Biryani Center is a biryani lover's paradise. The biryani here is served piping hot with an unmistakable Hyderabadi with flavors. The masala is rich and the rice is perfectly cooked and the mutton is tender and juicy. It is small, busy eatery but the flavor is unmatched. Regulars swear by the consistency of the taste, making it a hidden gem in the city. The next one is Haji Raz Kitchen. For those who love home-style biryani, Haji Raz Kitchen is a delightful spot. This restaurant specializes in traditional spices passed down through generations, with chicken and mutton biryani being favorites. The Siraja Sambar rice bring out the flavor beautifully. The place is clean, the service is warm, and the food has a comforting homemade touch. It's perfect for those who prefer less oily, balanced biryani. The second last is Nama Vidu Vasanta Bhavan. Third, primarily known for South Indian vegetarian food, Nama Vidu also offer delicious vegetarian biryani options. Their vegetable and mushroom biryani are aromatic, flavorful, and cooked with care. It's a great choice for vegetarian in this city dominated by meat biryani joints. The restaurant has clean, family-friendly atmosphere. It proves that biryani can be equally enjoyable without meat. The last one is Palm Shore Restaurant. Palm Shore is famous for its Iranian-style grills and seafood, but their biryani has its own fan following. The chicken and prawn biryanis are particularly popular, offering a slightly different twist with Middle Eastern inspired flavors. The restaurant ambience is spacious and modern, suitable for families and groups. The blend of coastal and urban flavor add uniqueness to their biryani. Chennai's biryani culture is as diverse as the city itself, blending Mughlai, Hyderabadi, Chandigarh, and even Arabian influences. From iconic spots like Buhari and Chandigarh, Talapakati to hidden gems like Ya Muhyiddin and Charminar. Each restaurant tells its own story through flavors.